Pasadena pros and cons. Pasadena is gorgeous and grounded. Historic homes, real culture, mountain views, and also a place where commute and cost matter. I'm going to give you my honest pros and cons so you can make a calm, confident decision. I'm Rebecca Tekeian, Realtor here in Southern California and licensed professional clinical counselor. I help buyers make clear choices without pressure. If Pasadena is on your list, I'll map the neighborhoods, the commute, and the numbers in a way that fits and serves your daily life. Here's how we'll do this. We'll look at 10 pros I see over and over and 7 cons to plan around. And then a quick reality check on who thrives here and who might prefer another San Gabriel Valley city. Let's talk character and architecture. Pro number 1, character and craftsman. If you light up at original woodwork, big porches, and tree-lined streets, Pasadena absolutely delivers. Many pockets keep that architectural soul. Pro number 2, culture on your doorstep. Museums, theaters, the Rose Bowl scene, weekends fill up without a freeway marathon. You can be spontaneous here as well. Pro number 3, walkable micro hubs. Old Pasadena, South Lake, and so much more. These pockets make daily errands and date nights super easy if we choose the right pocket for your routine. Pro number 4, transit and access. Options matter. You have the A line, the 210, the 134. It's not magic, but options help you design your commute. Pro number 5, outdoors as a habit. Arroyo, trails, parks, for your walks, runs, hikes. Pasadena makes it simple to build movement into your day-to-day. Pro number 6, you have condos, townhomes, and single-family homes. Condos and townhomes for lower maintenance and single family for space and charm. We can match the maintenance level to your season of life. Pro number 7, the learning and enrichment. You have a lot of learning opportunities with the libraries, enrichment programs, and nearby institutions. This adds a lot of value at any age. Of course, check official sources for school ratings and other changes that may happen. Pro number 8, community, feel, and traditions. Pasadena keeps a neighborly pulse. Block pride, seasonal events, porch culture, and so much more. Pro number 9, broad buyer appeal. You have this wide appeal with character homes and well-located pockets that tend to stay attractive to future buyers. So great when you think long-term. Of course, no guarantees as future performance, but something to think about. And pro number 10, the daily ease and everyday convenience. Groceries, services, medical, all close by. Daily life can run smoother when we pick the right location. Let's jump into cons. So con number 1, home price and monthly. Desirable areas come with real price tags. Beyond the mortgage, plan for taxes, insurance, utilities, and possibly HOA dues. I like to model your total monthly so there are no surprises. Con number 2, age equals maintenance. Older systems, which charm means older systems, older plumbing, electrical, roofs, or foundation items, which can be costly. Inspections and smart contingencies protect you. Con number 3, competition on standout homes. So you'll have multiple offers. The dialed-in homes in top pockets attract a lot of attention. We'll prep clean terms and strategies that keep you competitive and protected. Con number 4, parking and HOA rules. Tandem parking, guest spots, and HOA rules differ. We'll review budgets, reserves, and what dues actually cover. Con number 5, commute variability. Rush hour happens. Options help, but peak times are still peak times. I like to test your route at your actual schedule before you commit. Con number 6, weekend activity near hubs. Noise and parking can be a thing. Close to the action equals fun and convenience, plus some weekend noise or parking competition. A few blocks can change the feel. Con number 7, limited new construction. So you have fewer new builds and inventory leans older. If you want brand new systems and layouts, we'll target newer townhome pockets or compare nearby cities. So is Pasadena a fit? Let's take a fit check. If you value character, a few walkable pockets, and access to culture, and you're comfortable budgeting for either an updated condo townhome or a character single-family Pasadena home, Pasadena can be a great fit for you. If your must-have is brand new everything, ultra-low monthly costs, or a very fast freeway commute at peak hours, we'll widen the search to other San Gabriel Valley cities. So let's talk strategy session. And let's talk resources. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, interested in San Gabriel Valley cities, or thinking of a move later on or further out, let's set up your personalized strategy session so we can make sure you know what is next and what is ahead. I will make sure to map out what's best for you, take a look at your monthlies, your goals, and what you need to make sure that this process is smooth and easy. Pasadena shines when you line up the neighborhoods, the commute, and the maintenance level with your real life. If you're comparing cities, I've got a Pasadena versus Glendale and versus Burbank coming up. So make sure to click the big breakdowns to watch out for that and make sure that you have the decision that fits your life. I'm Rebecca Tekeian, Realtor and Southern California expert. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and book that strategy session so we can get started on your Jersey. I'll see you in the next one.